Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Life English Pro.
Hi, friends. We are so thrilled you joined us today.
Today, our special topic is building confidence from zero.
Wow, Sarah, that title already gives me goosebumps.
Exactly, Leo. Building confidence from zero is one of the most important skills in life because when you have zero confidence, every small thing feels like a mountain.
Yes, without confidence, you stay silent in meetings, you avoid speaking English, and you miss amazing opportunities.
Think about it. Students who start with zero confidence in English never raise their hand. Workers never ask for promotions. And even simple conversations become scary.
I remember my own story. When I first moved to a new city, I had zero confidence. I couldn't even order coffee in English without shaking.
Oh, Leo, that sounds really tough. Many of our viewers are probably feeling the same right now.
But the good news is you can build it from zero, step by step, day by day. And today, we're going to show you exactly how.
Before we go deeper into all the practical steps, if you are watching this and you love learning English through real conversations, please hit that big red subscribe button right now.
Yes, subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss an episode. We are a family here at Life English Pro, and we grow together.
Thank you so much to everyone who subscribes. Your support keeps us making these long, helpful videos for you.
All right, let's start from the very beginning. Confidence from zero begins in your mind.
First thing, understand that everyone starts somewhere. Even the most famous speakers once had zero confidence.
True. So, rule number one, stop comparing yourself to others.
Exactly. Instead, compare yourself only to who you were yesterday.
Let's practice that right now. I'll pretend I am a beginner with zero confidence, and you help me.
Okay, Leo, say this after me. I am getting better every single day.
I I am getting better every single day.
Come on, louder and with a smile.
I am getting better every single day.
Perfect. See how small practice already made you feel stronger? That is step one.
Now, step 2, daily positive self-talk.
Every morning, stand in front of the mirror and say 5 powerful sentences.
Like what?
I believe in myself. I can speak English clearly. I am brave. I deserve success. I am growing.
Wow, let's say them together for our viewers.
I believe in myself.
I can speak English clearly.
I am brave.
I deserve success.
I am growing.
That felt so good. Viewers, pause the video and repeat with us 10 times every morning.
Next, step 3, tiny daily actions.
Tiny actions?
Yes, confidence grows when you do small things successfully.
For example, greet one stranger in English today. Just, hello, how are you?
Let's role play it right now. I'm the stranger.
Hello, how are you?
I'm great, thank you. How are you?
I'm good too.
See, you did it. One small win creates confidence.
Step 4, learn English phrases that make you sound confident.
Repeat after me. I am ready to try. I can handle this. My voice matters.
I am ready to try. I can handle this. My voice matters.
Say them every time you feel nervous before speaking English.
What if someone laughs at my mistakes?
That fear is normal when you start from zero, but remember, mistakes are proof you're learning.
Like the time I said I am died instead of I am tired in front of my boss.
Ha, we all have those stories, but you survived and now you're here teaching with me.
Exactly. So, step 5, celebrate every mistake because it is progress.
Write down 3 mistakes you made this week, and next to each, write what you learned.
Then say out loud, I am proud of myself for trying.
Let's do a quick exercise. Leo, tell me one mistake you made recently.
I said excuse instead of excuse me yesterday.
And what did you learn?
I learned the polite way is excuse me.
Perfect. Viewers, do this every night. Now, step 6, body language changes everything.
Body language?
Stand tall, shoulders back, smile even when you feel nervous.
Let me show you.
Wow, Leo, you look completely different.
See? Fake it till you make it.
Step 7. Surround yourself with positive people.
Join our Life English Pro community in the comments. We support each other.
Share one small win in the comment section today and we will reply.
Yes, let's read some comments together later.
Step 8. Visualization. Close your eyes and picture yourself speaking English confidently in front of many people.
Okay, I see myself on stage, everyone clapping.
Feel the confidence in your body. Hold that feeling.
It actually works. I feel stronger already.
Step 9. Practice with a partner, just like we are doing now.
Seriously, find a language partner or talk to yourself in the mirror.
Today, we'll practice a full job interview scenario from zero confidence to full confidence.
I'm the nervous candidate.
Hello, welcome. Tell me about yourself.
I like English.
Good start. Now use our phrase, I believe in myself.
I believe in myself. My name is Leo, and I have been learning English for 6 months.
Much better. See how fast you improved?
That was amazing. Viewers, try this role play with a friend or even record yourself.
Step 10. Read English stories about people who started from zero.
Like what?
The story of J.K. Rowling. She was rejected many times but kept going.
Or Elon Musk. He said he had no confidence in the beginning, but he took action anyway.
Every success story starts from zero.
Step 11. Stop negative thoughts immediately.
When your mind says, I can't speak English, reply, I am learning and I will speak.
I am learning and I will speak.
Say it like you mean it, Leo.
I am learning and I will speak.
Yes.
Step 12. Physical exercise helps confidence.
A short walk or 5 push-ups before practicing English increases your energy.
Try it tomorrow morning and then speak English for 10 minutes.
Step 13. Set realistic goals. Not, I will speak perfectly today, but I will speak 3 sentences today.
Small goals give big confidence.
Step 14. Listen to English podcasts like ours every day.
Repeat after us, pause and speak. That is active listening.
Step 15. Help someone else. When you teach a friend one English word, your own confidence grows.
Really?
Yes, teaching proves you know something.
Step 16. Dress nicely even at home when you practice.
Why?
It changes how you feel about yourself.
I feel more powerful already. Step 17. Keep a confidence journal. Every night, write 3 things you did well in English.
After 30 days, you will see how far you came from zero.
Step 18. Public speaking practice.
Even from zero?
Start with 1 sentence in front of your family.
Hello, everyone. Today, I am building my confidence.
Perfect.
Step 19. Accept compliments.
When someone says, your English is improving, reply, thank you, I am working hard.
Thank you. I am working hard.
Step 20. Never give up. Even on bad days, remember, 0 to hero takes time, but it always happens if you continue.
What if I feel nervous again tomorrow?
Come back to this video, repeat our phrases, and start again.
We are with you every step.
Step 21 bonus. Join our live sessions.
We go live every week and practice together.
Now, let's do a long role play. I am your boss, you have 0 confidence, but you will build it during the meeting.
Okay. Hello, boss.
Leo, can you give the presentation?
I don't know.
Use your phrase.
I believe in myself. Yes, I can give the presentation.
Wonderful. Continue.
Our project is going well because we worked hard.
See, you did it.
Viewers, replay this part and practice with us.
Now, another scenario. Making new friends in English.
Hi, my name is Leo.
Hi, Leo. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. What do you like to do?
Great question.
Step 22. Forgiveness. Forgive yourself for past shy moments.
Let go of old embarrassment.
I used to hide in the back of class.
But today, you are on camera teaching thousands.
Yes, that is growth.
Step 23. Music. Listen to English songs and sing along loudly.
Singing builds confidence because no one judges you at home.
Step 24. Breathing exercises. When nervous, breathe in for 4, hold for 4, out for 4.
Like this?
Yes. Now speak, I am calm and confident.
I am calm and confident.
Perfect.
Step 25. Gratitude. Every night say 3 things you are grateful for in English.
I am grateful I learned 3 new words today.
That keeps you positive.
We have covered so many steps today. But the most important thing is action.
Start today. Right after this video, do one small thing.
Tell us in the comments, I will do step number today.
We read every comment.
Remember, building confidence from zero is not magic, it's daily practice.
And you are already practicing by watching this long conversation.
Thank you for staying with us till the end.
If this helped you even a little, please like the video, share it with a friend who needs confidence, and subscribe if you haven't already.
We upload new conversation lessons every week, topics like speaking English without fear, daily English for beginners, and many more.
See you in the next video where we will roleplay even more situations.
Until then, speak English every day, believe in yourself, and remember, you started from zero, but you will not stay there.
We believe in you.
Keep growing, keep smiling, and keep learning with Life English Pro.
Bye, everyone.
Bye, friends. See you soon.